Good morning, children. Welcome to our EVS class. So, in our previous class, what I have told you? Yes, we have started a new chapter, clothes. So, in that, you have learned about the clothes, different types of clothes that we wear in different seasons. So, how many seasons? Summer, rainy, and winter. So, tell me what kind of clothes we wear in summer season? We wear cotton cloths. So where do we get this cotton from? From the cotton plant. So from that cotton they will make the cotton cloths. Next, in rainy season, what kind of clothes we wear? In rainy season, the raincoat and gumboots and umbrella we use. Raincoats and gumboots we wear. Raincoat protects us from the rain. And a raincoat is made up of a waterproof material. What kind of material? Waterproof material. When we wear raincoat, we cannot get wet in the rain. We can walk in the rain. Next, we can also wear the gum boots. Gumboots boots, gum boots, to keep our feet dry. We may also use umbrella in the rain. By using that, we cannot get wet. So today you are going to learn about the winter season. Which kind of clothes you wear in the winter season? So in winter, how do you feel? You feel very cold. So which kind of clothes you wear? That we will see. In the winter season, winter, winter, season season. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. Woollen, woolen clothes. Clothes, clothes. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. We get wool, wool. We get wool from sheep, 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 comma, camel, camel, comma, rabbit, rabbit, and lamb, lamb. Woolen cloths keep us warm. So these woolen cloths we get from the animals. Which kind of animals? Like sheep. This is the sheep. So this hair is used to make wool. Sheep hair is used to make wool. Sheep, comma, camel. Camel, rabbit and lamb. So these animals skin. Hair is used to make the wool. So woolen cloths keep us warm. So this is a wool made from the sheep hair. So mostly in winter season we wear woolen cloths. Why we wear woolen clothes? To keep our body warm. That's why we wear woolen clothes. And where do we get this wool from? From which kind of animals? 4 are there. Sheep, camel, rabbit and lamb. Can you tell the spellings? sheep, rabbit spelling, rabbit, camel spelling, camel and lamb, lamb. I have caps, coats, mufflers, jackets and sweaters in my set of clothes for winter. In winter we can use this kind of clothes. What we will use? Like cap, cap, woolen cap, and it is a coat, coat, from here to here. It's a long coat. Next it is a muffler, muffler, and it is a jacket, jacket, and last one is sweater, sweater. So in winter season we wear different types of cloths. What is that? Like caps, sweater. These are all the woolen cloths only. It is made from the wool. 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 So cap, coats, COAT, coat, muffler, 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 and jacket, 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 and it is a sweater, SWEATER, sweater. These clothes will keep our body warm. So this is about the clothes we use in winter season. Next, what can you see? There are the three members standing with a uniform. They are wearing their school uniform. So you also wear a uniform to school. Each and every school has their own uniform. So like that, in our school also you wear uniform. Next, uniforms are also worn by people who do special jobs. Do you know? Those who will do special jobs in any company, that people can also wear the uniforms. For example, doctor, DOCTOR, doctor. Do you know doctor? What kind of uniform you wear? He wears white color apron, that is called apron, and he also has stethoscope. A nurse uniform, this is a nurse uniform, and it is an astronaut uniform, ASTRONAUT, astronaut. Astronaut means who will go into the space. For them, we will use this kind of uniform. Next, he is a soldier, SOLDIER, soldier. Do you know soldier? They will protect our country. By fighting with our enemies, the soldiers will protect our country. They also having a special uniform. By seeing them, we can identify, yes, he is a soldier, Indian Army soldier. And postman also has a uniform. Conductor, bus conductor has also uniform. Do you know lawyer? Lawyer is also has a uniform, black color coat. They wear black color coat. So different special jobs, those who will do special jobs, for them have a different uniforms. Next, about the costumes. What are the costumes? What is the spelling of the costumes? COSTUMES, costumes. People living in different places wear different clothes called costumes. Our India is a country which has so many states. According to the different regions, different places, the people will wear different types of clothes. So people living in different places wear different clothes called the costumes. Actors and dancers also wear the costumes. Actor, those who work in the movies, they also wear the costume. For that, dress is also called as a costumes. So this is a costume of the West Bengal. They wear sari like this. It is Assam. In Assam they wear like this. In Punjab they wear like this dress. In Tamil Nadu they wear sari, and here the men is wearing differently, and this is Parsi. Here it is in Jammu and Kashmir, they wear like this. These are the traditional dresses of their different places. West Bengal, Assam, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Parsi, Jammu and Kashmir. In our Telugu states like Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, our mostly women will wear saris. Okay, so that is the costumes. So what are the costumes? People living in different places wear the different clothes called the costumes. Actors and dancers also wear the costumes. For example, in your school having any celebrations, at that time any dance will be there. At that time also you can wear the costumes for the dance. That is also called as a costumes. Okay. So in this lesson you have learned now about the clothes which can be wear in the winter season, and also about the uniforms, and also about the costumes. Okay children, if you are having textbooks, read this lesson once. Okay. Okay, thank you.